Alright, so I got a cutout that I'm going to do here. Bouncing off my head and trying to escort me out of the yard. So, a little bit feisty. So I'm going to try to pop a couple of these panels off. I can see where they've sealed previously. Infrared shows that from where they're entering, just to the left, going down about 2 or 3 feet, probably to the top of the ceiling, or into the wall actually. This has got a very, very low, if any, crawl space. I can't get into the house right now, but like, here's the infrared. They're already getting a little bit miffed. See that patch down there? And it looks like it goes down that panel to the left. So up on the ladder, there they are, and you can see they're coming in everywhere. Beehive looks like it comes down here. So it looks like I'm probably gonna have to do a cut. Let's see how. They glued it there. So I'm gonna get my vibrator saw. Looks like that board I could probably remove, but of course I got this big old air conditioning unit in the way. Stand by. Alright, so I think I see nails. Actually, I wonder if that continues up. Yeah. So I got that marked. I'm gonna go ahead and do a cut right there. And I'll boil out. Gonna be on you. Of course, it's split anyway. There's a nail right there. Well, that's what glue is for. I didn't show anything. There's like some glue. There we go. There we go. See if I can see anything. There's an old cone right there. I need to look at it. Oh, I lost. Yeah, go into the ceiling right there. You can walk right in, right there. Okay, they're starting to pour out. Try to calm them down a little bit. This is all RTV. me get a look after I drop this piece of wood, what's going on here. So some are going into the wall, and the majority of them are going up here. What they're doing. We got some pollen. Looks like they're all migrating up. I don't see, oh, it's sealed right here though. Pretty good. And glued. So I'm gonna have to try pulling a little of this panel up, I think. Which, there may be a seam right there. Let me see. Okay, we're gonna go up on the roof here. See if I can get up on the roof. That's a nice beam there in the center. And of course the sun is so it's hard to tell from the top here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to drill. Of course, this is the shady side. I try to dig out this nail, maybe. I don't know. I think I did. It's just I'm trying not to like. Oh, this was this. That was the seam. Damn it.
Oh, that's hilarious. All right. No problem.
Oh yeah, we got honeycomb. So you might want to go stand over there for a sec until they chill. They may or may not get.
Okay.
This could be old comb too. Oh yeah.
Old comb.
No, it's good.
Okay.
It's gonna fall. Oh. Yeah, there it goes. Shit.
You want me to bring over the hive? Open the hive? Nice catch.
Except I'm gonna get stung.
Wow, I'm surprised you haven't gotten stung already. That was amazing.
So what I need to do is
Open this.
yeah, you got it on that little table.
Yep.
And then what I need to do is actually put,
I want to start building a thing.
I have to start building comb. But I also want to find that queen too.
Yep.
This is all capped over honey.
Look at them. They're not even budging.
She'll be near what's called brood. And then the eggs.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
So I'll go ahead and grab some more. I'm gonna need gloves because what happens is you grab onto the comb and
Oh, yeah.
you accidentally get stung. It's not a malicious sting. It's
Now she will be like kind of.
she'll be big and she'll have a fat butt. And she's gonna be on where there's fresh brood.
Why are they just like vibrating like that?
That's what they do.
Crazy, man. This one's going. Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Do you have a drop light?
A job light?
Drop light, yeah, or a job light.
Uh,
I mean, that thing's gonna work if we can point it.
yeah. Let me get up there.
I have to get my bucket and get my. Of course, I don't usually use gloves at all, but when I do this, I inadvertently get stung on the hands. That's old comb.
Okay.
That's just a little piece of it too, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna have that come down and meet my head.
What you mean? Oh shit.
There's a lot more than what we just opened, that's for sure.
You got your hook?
I got my hook, man. I learned that lesson.
You got a couple tools down there. Bigger hammer and
Don't need that one. Yeah, I don't even need that spatula either, I don't think. So here's the stud. So
yeah.
there shouldn't be anything else, I don't think, below.
Well, you should be able to pull that,
Yeah, that's insulation
that
below.
left board out too.
Yep,
right?
that's what's coming. Yeah, I hit something here. The stud, but the nails are on the left of me.
That was some amazing siding. Looks like some redwood siding.
There we go.
a couple studs there, huh? Blocking.
You know, throw up a piece of wood here, throw up a piece of it there. And this is just honey. And so is that one. Is all honey.
The old comb is honey.
No, well, it's either lay eggs and raise bees, or it's honey. Or actually, it could be more than that. It could be other food. They do bee bread.
Bee bread?
Bee bread is like a kind of a thing they make.
Some thick stuff, huh? Amazing. Wow.
They can get stuck in it too.
Oh yeah. What the heck?
You'd think they would know how to avoid that, but they don't.
You want me to start cleaning off this table so you have more workspace?
Sure. And I had a green thing.
This stuff. Oh, this is your.
There's one that I'm gonna. If we clear them out, I'm gonna spray in there, and that'll get them to leave. Okay. I need to go get. I have wipes. Because I'm gonna start putting honeycomb in that. Yeah, just one.
So is there a horizontal block in there too?
Yeah, so I think that with any luck, well, we'll see if they went past here. Yeah, with any luck, this is the end of it. Because this is it's a double.
Yeah.
Where's that smoke?
Got it. You think I need to put more things in it?
If you just squeeze it, it'll probably come back to life.
Pretty bone dry.
Nothing happening.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's down here. Oh, that's. And then you come.
It'd be cool if this was it, but I think there's more.
Me too. So that's a big block right there, right? A horizontal block.
Yeah, and so I don't think, and then there's insulation below, so they're not below that.
Cut on that.
Yeah, they're not below that. They're not below that line.
We'll just cut along that this way.
That sounds like a plan. That. And this goes all the way up to the top here. Ow. Oh. Now, let's see how. Ow. I didn't do nothing. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Look at that.
Now if I can get down. No-handed.
You want me to? Why don't I hand you a plate? And then you just stay up there.
I'm gonna have to walk it.
Just hand it to me.
I need to walk it down. I can do this probably though.
How heavy is it? Will it bend this?
I think I'll get this one down.
So now we should start using the thermal thing again.
Yeah, once it cools off.
Yeah. It's nice and cool out here now. Outside wall is at least
Shit. Contained it in my peanut can. Did I bring my cooler?
The cooler bag is right there.
Actually, the I'm gonna knock these bees into that hive, and then anything that doesn't have babies on it, I'm gonna get them down into that new hive. I gotta find some eggs and brood. Yeah, and they just puff it like crazy for a little while. It doesn't have to be really fast, but just a constant. Ow. Put my hand right on a bee.
They're very much up there.
Alright, what was I looking for? Oh yeah, these things. I'm glad I bought these. They were on sale. Oh yeah, and the other thing, I don't know if I have like a horsehair brush. It's right there. I got one more comb to take off, and then it'll...
Oh, and then it's
Yeah, and then we'll see it. So like if we drill on the other side, we'll see if...
Can I drill right here?
That'd be perfect. Dude, I need to take a picture of you.
There's some fiber,
Oh, if there's insulation, they won't be there.
it's insulation.
That may be the one spot. See, that was the spot that was hot. Turn your head around.
Nice.
Because you have like bees on your back and shit.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You're a bee man, dude. Matt, the handy bee man. That might be it, dude. We may be lucking. But I gotta be real careful that last bit, because that's where the queen's gonna be.
Go up on the roof and take some pictures. It's like I said, the roof is super thin, and I'd like to see how far in that rafter it goes. They might only be in that one section of forgotten no sheetrock spot.
Yeah, yeah, dude.
No
That's
insulation spot.
if it's insulated, they won't go in it. They need an open space. And I need a knife, which I'm probably have to go up there and get. And you don't see nothing coming through there, right? You hit insulation. What about one more over?
Cool.
He'll just hang out on me for a while.
I'd have to reach.
Hey, look up in here. Hey, I'll grab that next one, and then I'll maybe have you, like you suggested, bring over the wood. Oh, I'll wait for you to come back. I'm getting my stings. There's a couple that were on top of the ladder that I put my hand on. Once it starts leaking,
Yeah.
it don't stop. Like there's one that just happenstanced because I touched the frame. You get the stinger out.
Once it starts leaking?
Yeah, then they get stuck. Like
yeah,
that
yeah.
one there is getting stuck. And so I'm getting them off and then putting this in the bag. And then the ones that are in the bag, you know, they're, unless they can get back out top here, like here's one. It might be able to get out.
Nice.
I forgot to look to see if my
Green.
horse brush is in the bucket. I've been looking for queen, but this is where she would be.
Yeah, right?
Is that her? Nope, that was two bees. They usually have like a big butt, big bronze butt.
What about? Oh yeah. They're just kind of tricking us, huh? Like, yeah, we got her. She's over here.
They're in survival mode. And if she's in here, it's no big deal. She's in the box, but
Yeah.
they have ways to mark where the queen is. They'll lift their ass up like that one there.
Uh-huh.
And she's actually letting loose a pheromone. That one there is. So it's like she could be on here.
Like, where's Waldo?
But anyway, so I'll shake her in. Got him. One left.
Nice.
It's amazing how they'll, you know, you put them in a box and they're in there.
Yeah.
They're not trying to fly away. They have really nowhere else to go.
It's so funny.
It's fucking amazing. It's magical.
Yeah.
All right, where's the, I need that knife to cut out the, I can get this last one. Did we find any more holes?
Let me keep drilling over.
I might have you hand this up to me.
Yeah.
Actually, the smaller one will probably be better. That one, yeah, because I already scraped that one up. So one time I did a cutout, and the queen drowned in honey.
So what are you looking for here? That you're
I'm
putting
looking.
here?
That has
Eggs.
food. No, it's called
Bread?
bee bread. Yeah.
Okay, that's the bread.
Yeah, one just nailed me. Took off. The honey will drown them, but bee bread, I'll put that in there. Like there's one that, a couple stuck in there still. You get them out of the honey and they can live if their sister licks them clean.
That's cute.
And another one. But this is where I've been getting stung. So they'll smell that and they may sting also. Mm-hmm. They could smell the, people say that the sting pheromone they release smells like bananas.
That's what I heard.
I can't smell it, but I wonder if this thing's still going.
And you're pretty close to it. It's beeping, or it's red.
There may not be a queen. Because until I see fresh eggs, the jury's out.
Well, there's a lot of hives still up there. I think we barely uncovered it.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Where's your thermal?
It attaches to my phone.
Oh, that's cool.
I do have just a simple heat sensor.
Oh yeah, I have one of those.
So that we can use to bring them down. like you were suggesting. A little different than what you expected, huh?
No, kind of what I expected. Destroy a wall and smoke, calm the bees, and yeah.
You know what it does? It makes them think that
What you can.
it doesn't really calm them. It makes them,
Think there's a wildfire?
yep. And then they'll start gorging themselves, getting ready to bail out.
That's smart.
Aw, why'd you do that? There was one that was just mad. Stings, for me, are really beneficial.
It's amazing that the way that you get stung and you just kind of don't hardly make people.
They have a lot of really cool, like I have arthritis in my hands, and so I take stings there, and then in my neck I sting myself. And I use only sick bees. I don't grab a healthy bee.
It's amazing.
But you know, when you have hives, there's bees that die every day.
Yeah, exactly.
And there could be 1,000 bees. See, I just got another sting. 1,000 bees born, and you know, 1,000 could die every day. Queen could be right here. They could be hiding her underneath all this.
You said she's around the egg though?
Yeah, and I haven't seen any egg, but they will circle around her. And that's happening right here.
How should we continue opening this wall up?
I think we should drill a little hole and see if there's bees. A pilot like I just did. And if there's bees, we'll keep going. Damn it.
More?
Just 2 of them got me, one on each hand. Almost at the same time. From picking up the honeycomb and having a bee, you know, accidentally get squished or touched by me. Okay. I want to suck on my fingers, but I got this stupid mask on.
So the sun is
I need to catch it in something.
what's that?
I'm gonna have to catch this shit somehow. Ah, they're pissed. They're getting mad. Can't hardly blame them. I'm gonna have to put gloves on. Because once I get about 20 or 30 stings on a hand,
Started puffing up.
yeah, like for a couple days it's puffed.
Yeah.
but it feels good afterwards. It's so cool they got tunnels.
They have tunnels?
Yeah, they have little tunnels and shit. It's amazing.
Wow. They're starting to make a lot of noise.
Yeah, that's good. All right, so I need something to catch those ones.
Fire blanket?
Yeah, I got it for like $4 from Goodwill. It was all brand new in the pack. I don't know if it actually. I don't know if it's like a emergency blanket or whatever. It's definitely insulated with the reflective thing. Actually, I don't know if that's gonna work. Yeah, let's see here. What am I gonna do? Are you inside or outside? I'm talking about the bee in my veil. Are you inside my veil or outside my veil? This is probably too wide too, but that didn't work. What's that? No, I left them out wet, so they're kind of crustied up. They're getting into my veil. All right, this is the end of day one. And I now know what the banana smell is, because the bees only have a little bit of room to be on, and right when I get up there, the light I think is enough to piss them off, and they just all rush out and want to murder me. There's a little bit of comb, and just the camera is setting them off. My veil's got a failure, so it's, what happened is there's comb all the way up to the top of that one beam on the inside. I just got stung, and I think they may go further over there. The other sections are insulated. We trust them, there's insulation. So queen's up in there, I think. I don't see any brood, so we may not even have a queen, but I've got probably, how many thousand, I don't know, a bunch of bees in here. And I squirted a little bit of bee gone, homemade bee gone, up around this alternate opening, and they're totally moving away from it. So I'm hoping, I'm gonna put a piece of wood from this hive over to here, and hopefully they'll climb over. And when we come back tomorrow, they won't be so mad about light and being at night, where they're coming in, finding ways through my veil and stinging my lip, my nose. Stung my nose from the outside. I have this headlight on, and it's pulling the veil to my nose. One landed on my nose and just nailed me. They've had enough, and it's too late to do anything better. I was scooping bees by like a can full, and they would all rush out, and it was like, that is where I really smelled the bananas. So we'll start again tomorrow, or finish hopefully tomorrow. I think I got a lot of it, but there could be that much more on the other side. We'll see.